My name's Thais. I'm an Australian, just a regular girl with a zest for life.
Amazing!
An avid foodie,
I want to eat everything.
entrepreneur, and presenter. I go to some of the most incredible places on the planet.
I love my life. There's nothing better than a bit of fresh air.
And I want to take you with me every step of the way. I'm an adventure addict. I love stepping out of my comfort zone. And I've decided to share with you how I do and see things. I can teach you how to escape so that you can get away sooner. Pack a small bag and let's go.